to train and have an engineer and all his requirements approved finally. That is a little bit of a lengthy process because he is interacting with Apple and Google Play systems. So there's a big approval process there, but that's all completed. Yay. We didn't expect the overwhelming response when we first went live with Patrick. So 3 months ago, we kind of had to pump the brakes and rework internally. So now we're good to go. We're going to try to submit 5 to 10 apps a week. So if you have hit submit, that does not mean your app is in review with Apple and Google Play. It's in review with us. Now, most likely it's been approved, but probably about 70% of the mobile apps from this food truck group still are missing some requirements. And it's all over the spectrum. So we just thought we would jump on this. I do a quick little YouTube and Patrick would post it to let everybody know. Some of you have not added your rewards programs, and now that is a requirement. It wasn't before, but now it is with Apple and Google Play. Some of you your menus are not completed, or you need to add some pictures, taxes, the description for your mobile app. All of those little fields now have to be completed. So very simple fix. All you have to do is give me a phone call or click the link that Patrick's posting with my online scheduling calendar and set up a 15-minute call. We can knock it out. There's nothing, there's no there's no additional fee or any reason for us to meet regarding payment. This is just so we can get your apps live. So we've all gone through the process of getting you there to this point. Now let's get you past the finish line. Okay, so again, go ahead and schedule that call. If you have not signed up for a mobile app or you have, please know we also get together on our apps Facebook group, and then also at 4:30 Central, 5:30 Eastern every Tuesday, all the food trucks that currently have apps that are live or have apps waiting to go live that have been working with our team can tell you a little bit more about their experience. If you have questions, it's just a 15-minute call once a week. Also, we take feedback then from the group if there are things that we could do to enhance the platform to make it better for you in the field. So it's a really, really good time to jump on a call. Tuesday at 4:30 Central, 5:30 Eastern, and that's in actually about 7 minutes. So I'm going to wrap this up, and you guys have a great day, and everybody stay safe. I know it's really hot out there. Just remember, if you're going to work hard and you're going to make this food, right, when we cook, we want those customers to come back to us, and this is a way for that to happen. Also, food truck owners, you can share your location with your mobile app, and your customers know when their food's ready. There are so many benefits. They receive an alert. You can do curbside pickup. There are so many fun features, so definitely check it out. It doesn't cost anything to get started right now. We're still allowing that to occur. So just jump in, take advantage, and we're glad we can help as many food trucks out there as possible. All right, wonderful to see you guys. Have a great day. Bye. God bless.